Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by stabilizing the device and removing external covers. This prevents flex. Once done, warm the glass slightly to soften adhesive. Use 15 to 20 degrees above room temperature or a hairdryer at low distance. You then place a suction cup near an edge, insert a thin pry tool gently, and create a 0.5 to 1 mm gap. Move slowly to avoid glass shattering. The goal is to separate the tempered layer from the frame without stressing the display. Once the old layer is off, you must remove all adhesive fragments because uneven residue prevents a flush fit. Use a plastic scraper and isopropyl to dissolve and wipe away residue. Make sure edge channels are clear. Now dry fit the replacement privacy glass. Align cutouts precisely for camera and sensors because misalignment ruins functionality. When satisfied, apply adhesive or pre-cut tape to the frame. Then lower the glass slowly from one edge to the other to minimize trapped air and ensure even contact. You finish by pressing the glass into place with a soft roller, starting at the center and moving outward. This expels bubbles and seats adhesive evenly. Once done, make sure the device remains flat and undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours to fully cure. Test privacy, effect, and touch responsiveness. If small bubbles remain, apply gentle heat and re-roll to move them out. If the glass lifts, cracks, or sensors misread, remove and replace the glass. Partial fixes risk permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.